Hello guys, today in this video we will talk how to connect Apple Music to ChatGPT. Okay, so first of all, before connecting you need to keep something in your mind, like what are the charges and what are the features you can access if you are going to connect Apple Music to ChatGPT. Okay, so first of all, there is no subscription needed to connect your account. This tool is free for all users. Okay, and if we talk about like the things, what are the features? So first feature, playlist generation. You can ask ChatGPT to create 10 songs playlist for a rainy day or any kind of similar artist. Okay, and the second feature is like saving playlist. Use the create playlist in Apple Music button and button in the ChatGPT interface to save generate list directly to your music library. And preview, you can listen to 10-second clips of songs directly within the chat without switching app. So these are the features. Now we talk about how to connect. So first of all, you need to search like how to connect Apple Music to ChatGPT. Then you will see this option, the first one option, Apple Music ChatGPT. And once you are on this screen, like when you open this page, there is a screen, this kind of a screen you will get, and you can select like connect account. Okay, and once you select connect, it will ask you to log in into your account. You can connect with Apple Music or you can connect with your you can like without your account also. Okay, so you can choose any method and you can log in into your account and you can access your Apple Music in ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the thing. Now if you have any other questions, you can also make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.